Experience unmatched lightweight strength with Oz lifting products CompOZite Davit Crane. Engineered from advanced composite material, this patented crane is 40% lighter than traditional steel models. The CompOZite Davit Crane thrives in demanding environments such as wastewater treatment, construction sites, manufacturing and utility service application, where corrosion resistance and portability matter most. Each CompOZite Davit is manufactured with high-strength, non-corrosive composite components designed to withstand harsh conditions without rusting or degrading. A single CompOZite Davit works with pedestal, wall, socket, or wheelbases and moves quickly between them with no tools required. The customization does not end there. Choose from manual or electric winch options to find the perfect fit for your job. With a boom that adjusts up and down, in and out, and 360 degrees, this crane was built for precise load adjustments. The ratchet binder allows for infinite boom angles, while the handle makes turning the crane easy. Designed with convenience in mind, the three-piece system assembles quickly using Oz's Smart Latch system. The Oz CompOZite Davit Crane System, the ultimate lightweight solution for reliable, high-performance material handling.